31 days, 31 social media tips to strategize your marketing efforts. Visit sfmarketintel.com or the news area on miamirealtors.com. Scroll down and obtain the 2021 Realtor.com information regarding top viewing countries, views from other cities or states, and views within the state. You can select the drop-down menu to select a county. Scroll down, select to download it. Choose an image so that you can easily share it on social media. Once you have this image, you can then proceed to your Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn to share this wonderful item. Use the image to create a post and share this information and maintain your customers, future customers, past customers informed on who's looking, visiting, and looking to invest in South Florida. Thank you for being a Miami member and for taking advantage of 31 days, 31 social media tips